Ramesh Sabharwal, I want to start with you. I welcome Ajay Alok, Rajat Sethi, Ishkaran Bhandari, Kapil Madan and senior journalist Satish K. Singh on this wonderful debate on hashtag Soros bomb. Ladies and gentlemen, hashtag Soros bomb has hit the country, exploding every day. In 2009, Shashi Tharoor tweets, on 26th May 2009, I met my old friend George Soros. My old friend George Soros. He's upbeat about India and curious about our neighborhood. वो जिज्ञासा कर रहे थे कि भारत के आसपास में क्या हो रहा है. He's far more than an investor. वो निवेशक नहीं है. वो concerned world citizen है. उनको चिंता है पूरी दुनिया को लेकर. इतना बड़ा खुलासा. ये ट्वीट बस रीट्वीट हो जाए आज. क्यों? इश्करन, लेट शशि थरूर रीट्वीट दिस ट्वीट. अपने पुराने मित्र जॉर्ज सोरोस जो जिज्ञासा कर रहे थे भारत के आसपास के इलाकों के बारे में और जो निवेशक नहीं है. ही इज नॉट जस्ट एन इन्वेस्टर. ये रीट्वीट हो जाए, बस रीट्वीट इट और ये हैशटैग यूज किया जाए सोरोस बॉम्ब. Okay, opening the debate is Ishkaran. Ishkaran is saying something, then you come. Yeah.
Two simple points. Because not starting with George Soros, we have Congress in an agreement MOU with the CCP, which is effectively the government of China because it's a one-party state. We still do not know what is the detail of it. A country with which we have gone to war in '62, where we had Galwan recently. Now coming to Soros. Not only Soros, you are a part of an organization which routinely carries the Pakistani agenda, which publishes news articles saying about Kashmir ki azadi is the solution. And forget money. Would you even want to be on a board of a body which carries these sort of views? Now coming to the third aspect, if we have a Mani Shankar Iyer who goes to Pakistan and says, "Inhe hataiye, hame laiye," a completely undemocratic means of removing a sitting prime minister speaking that in Pakistan. Come to the fourth aspect of it, where George Soros, by his own words, we don't need conspiracy, says his biggest enemy is Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi. He hates the fact that he is having a Hindu national state in his views. He believes that Muslims will lose their citizenship.
No, can this be?
Says, I want to set up a fund. I want to set up a fund of billions of dollars.
No, today the thing is. Today, what happens is, you know, in 1994, 95, 96, 97, 98, whenever Sonia Gandhi has been heading this body, itna Twitter nahi tha, magar abhi Twitter hai. The problem and the pareshani with Shashi Tharoor is that he loves Twitter and he believes Twitter loves him, to sab kuch likh dete hain. Now my question is, why are your leaders so close to George Soros? Do you believe that an enemy's enemy is my friend wala logic? My enemy is Modi, and Modi is also Soros' enemy. So Soros is my friend. Simple logic, Sabharwal ji.
It's vice versa.
मैं बोलूं सर?
हाँ बोलिए सोरोस बॉम्ब पे बोलिए.
Arnab ji, should I speak now?
Please speak.
When Shashi Tharoor joined the politics, when Shashi Tharoor joined the Congress party, it is 2009. Sir, before BJP coming to power, you were also a very good friend of us.
I was good friend of yours?
Shashi Tharoor was not a part of Congress.
No, I was your good friend?
Means my party.
No, I was your good friend of your party?
Definitely.
Of course, you must love me because I brought out Kalmadi scam, 2G scam, Devas ISRO scam, Ashok Chavan quit because of me.
We love you.
Yeah, we love you. All right, it's all right.
We try to help you every time.
No, you don't. I don't need your help.
Also,
I don't need your help at all. No, 1 minute. अरे भाई correct कर लो. अरे हम आपकी हेल्प की जरूरत नहीं है. समर्थ है हम. चाहते नहीं है आप लोगों से कुछ से. अरे हम वो रबिश पत्रकार नहीं है. समझ गए ना मेरा इशारा? हम वो रबिश पत्रकार नहीं है जिनको आपके सहयोग, सहायता और पता नहीं और क्या चीजों की जरूरत है आपसे.
मैं तो
Now come to the point on Soros. सोरोस पे बोलिए ना.
सर
सोरोस
का मैं पढ़ रहा था. 94 years man, Can he damage India? We are so strong, nobody can damage India. So you people are so 94-year-old man.
Are you linked to Soros?
Sonia ji.
Do you have links to Soros?
No. He's a No, never. Never we can.
सोच के बताइए, are you sure you don't have links to Soros? You are denying links to Soros?
Kashmir.
You are denying, which means in the debate, if I prove links to Soros, you will admit you are a liar?
Yes, Sonia ji. Priyanka ji has told today. Priyanka ji has categorically told you people. Why you are defaming Sonia ji? She sacrificed her life for the nation. Raji ji said.
No, she does not have to sacrifice her life.
Nehru ji was in the jail for independence movement.
ये sacrifice life वगैरह मत शुरू कीजिए, please.
Part of the country. इस कांग्रेस पार्टी इस बिना भारत बिना कश्मीर के भारत हो ही नहीं सकता सर.
पर आपने तो आपके आपने देखिए
शशि थरूर सर
आपको ओके आई वांट टू ब्रिंग अजय आलोक. सी यू आर आपका द चार्ज अगेंस्ट यू बीजेपी कह रही है कि आपकी शेडी खराब गंदी डाइसी इंटरनेशनल नेटवर्क है ना?
सर वी डोंट नीड देयर सर्टिफिकेट सर.
मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन तो करना पड़ेगा.
वी आर गिविंग सर्टिफिकेट्स. वी हैव सो मेनी इलेक्टेड.
तो फिर आप इन लोगों से वाई सो घुला मिला विद दिस पीपल?
देश की जनता के पास
इटली कनेक्शन है ना.
Italy connection on the debate. We have Ajay Alok versus straight BJP versus Congress. Sabarwal versus Ajay Alok. On the debate this evening, ladies and gentlemen, it's 9:20 on the Soros bomb. I will open calls at 9:27 this evening.
बर्थडे वाले दिन भी आप लोगों ने ये किया.
किसका बर्थडे है?
सबरवाल साहब.
किसका बर्थडे है?
सोनिया जी का बर्थडे.
थोड़ा सा एक सवाल है.
सोरोस का बर्थडे है?
2009
था सोनिया जी का बर्थडे.
2009
कल सोनिया जी का.
2009 जब आप
मुझे नहीं पता. आई डोंट सेलिब्रेट पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स बर्थडे.
मैं 2009 की बात कर रहा हूं.
मैं पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स ये क्या बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन. हाँ बोलिए.
2009
बोलिए.
Arnab, I'll just prove how Soros. You just said enemy's friend is enemy's friend. No, it's not the case. Soros has been friendly with the Gandhi family since 1950s. It's not a new friendship. B.K. Nehru's wife, Shobha Aunty, Fawari Nehru जिसको हम लोग कहते थे, on record 2009, Kingfisher Airlines chartered plane. On record, check with the airport authority of India and the Chandigarh airport and Delhi airport. Soros took a flight to meet Shobha Aunty 2009 में.
To meet whom? To meet whom?
Nehru received him.
To meet whom?
To Shobha Aunty. Shobha Aunty, aunty of Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi. After which Rahul Gandhi also went to meet Shobha Aunty, Fawari Nehru, wife of B.K. Nehru. Proved everything with on record. With Airport Authority of India, with Delhi Airport and with Chandigarh Airport. ये कहते हैं कि हम जानते ही नहीं है जॉर्ज सोरोस कौन है.
आप क्वार्टरों कौन है जानते हैं कि नहीं? कि क्वार्टरों भी नहीं जानते? क्वार्टरों कौन था? कौन है?
क्वार्टरों भी नहीं जानते.
क्वार्टरों कौन है?
एंडरसन को भी नहीं जानते हैं.
क्वार्टरों कौन है? क्वार्टरों इटालियन क्वार्टरों
कौन है?
Italiano, Quattarocchi.
अडानी कौन है? अडानी.
Italiano, Indian है. Adani is Indian. Italiano, Quattarocchi, Indian नहीं है.
अडानी.
Italiano, Quattarocchi.
अडानी.
Quattarocchi कौन है? ये शेडी इंटरनेशनल लिंक्स क्या है? आप कहते हैं आप देश के लिए जान देते हैं. ये
डीएलएपी की को प्रेसिडेंट क्यों बनी सोनिया गांधी?
Yes, nothing sir, nothing.
1994 में.
सर इट्स एनजीओ सर. मुझे
नहीं बनी.
एनजीओ थी.
एनजीओ को फंड कौन करता है?
94 का रिकॉर्ड भी नहीं है. प्रियंका जी ने तो बोला है. अरे भाई सर, अरे तो सर कोई एक्सट्रीमिस्ट है. सोरोस
झूठ बोल रही है. शोभा आंटी को जानती है कि नहीं?
Can I just
शोभा आंटी कौन है?
आप झूठ बोल रहे हैं.
फवारी नेहरू कौन है?
ना आप प्रूफ करिए.
अरे मैं तो प्रूफ कर रहा हूँ. Open domain में.
Can I just come in here?
One minute.
Can I just come in here?
See.
Now this George Soros clearly said in World Economic Forum Davos that India is becoming a fascist country.
Now I think
under the leadership of Narendra Modi. Who is he?
Let me just ask few important questions here.
No. Who is he?
Mr.
Who
Alok,
George Soros
I
to
hope
interfere
you
in
can hear me.
Indian affairs?
Mr. Alok, I hope you can hear me. And
I am hearing you.
our viewers will
Then you
now
can-
see.
then you can come
our
up with
viewers
your
will now
opinion.
see how short memory do you have.
Viewers are seeing.
Mr. Alok, I have a
Because
question.
everything is there on
Mr.
the
Alok,
net.
just a minute.
It's an open
Alok.
world. Don't forget it.
Mr. Alok, can I ask
what
you a
Arnav
question?
mentioned in 1990s, there were no
Can I-
Twitters.
Yes,
There was no Google. All
Mr.
the
Alok,
viewers
can I
can
ask
go
you
and
a
Google and
question?
check it.
Sir,
What I'm saying is
Mr.
100%
Alok, can I-
correct. Or
Arnav,
not.
can you hear me,
Thousands of
please?
people
I have
have
only
Right
a
to
simple
defend are
question.
indefensible. He's a bloody anti-Indian and you guys are defending him.
1994.
For their education.
Arnab, Mr. Alok has
Scholarship.
gone back to
Education.
1994. I will just, draw him few months ago. In 2024, there was a gentleman, namely Prajwal Ramanna, who was sharing stage with Mr. Modi. Can you please explain the viewers what are the allegations against Prajwal Ramanna?
He's not sharing a space with Mr. Modi on the public platform, sir.
अरे आप
He's sharing
बताइए
money.
अरे
He's sharing money.
एलिगेशंस क्या है मिस्टर आलोक
Sharing money. It is promoting. It is promoting. It is promoting dividend in India.
अरे
Come
मैं
on.
ये पूछ रहा हूँ
Don't draw the analogy.
Alok ji.
That's absolutely amazing.
आलोक जी
भाई, राहुल
उसके
गांधी
ऊपर
effect
एलिगेशंस
बताइए,
क्या है 2024 में सिर्फ
Pradhan
ये
ji,
जानना
you are
चाहता
far
हूँ
more
कि
intelligent.
allegations क्या है
Please don't have induction effect
क्या
of
है?
Rahul Gandhi.
अच्छा चलो आप नहीं आपकी मेमोरी
Please don't have induction effect of
सवाल
Rahul
और पूछ
Gandhi.
लेता हूँ
George
मैं एक
Soros
आपसे-
is detrimental
मैं
to
एक
India.
सवाल आपसे और
Why
पूछ
Sonia
लेता हूँ।
Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi
मैं
are
एक
just
सवाल
playing on
आपसे
the
और
tunes?
पूछ लेता हूँ देखिए so you don't have an answer and our viewers are getting your
Okay,
drift
you
so
don't
I
believe me?
do get that and I
Don't
appreciate
believe
it
me?
but let me
French
ask you
media,
another question
French
you will
media,
fall
French
flat
portal,
you will
video
fall
party, you
flat.
believe the foreign media a lot.
only a
You
simple
guys believe
I have
foreign media a lot.
मैं तो-
French
so I
platform,
am
media
asking
plat.
a very
Media
simple
plat
question
clearly mentioned
Mr. Alok
CRP
Mr. Alok
trying to
Mr. Alok
destabilize Indian elections and George Soros was founded directly
just a
from
minute just a minute
What's that?
did Nirav Modi
Harsh Mandir, Harsh Mandir,
did
you are
Nirav
there on the
Modi
board.
share stage
a member
the question.
of the National Advisory Council. What more you want?
in Davos did Nirav Modi shared stage with Mr.
Madan,
Narendra
please
Modi or
don't have
not
the induction effect of
Yaar,
Rahul Gandhi.
batao
I
to
find it
sahi.
very risky for the health of the country that people like you are having the induction effect of Rahul Gandhi.
That's where the problem is, Mr. Alok. You have, absolutely
That's
no
where the problem
evidence.
is actually.
And
That's where the problem is that people like you are having induction effect of Rahul
Have a
Gandhi
discussion on
at the cost of
you don't
nation.
have a discussion on marriage because you don't have a substance. So let me
having a
ask you a
having a
question
discussion
here.
on merit.
You asked कि 1994 में से
Will you support a person?
Let me
Will
just
you
tell
support a person? Madan, listen.
See, I believe here.
I
1 minute. You see, what's my Kapil? 1 minute. Kapil and Ajay, I need to intervene here. You see, I believe anybody can remove anybody from being Prime Minister of India. That is not the issue. You can have an ambition that one day I will be Prime Minister of India, I will remove Narendra Modi. He may be the most popular leader of the country, but one day I will be Prime Minister. Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. You see, it's a democratic country. Anybody can want to be Prime Minister. Ramesh Sabarwal may want to be Prime Minister of India. No problem. As long as you're an Indian citizen and your citizenship is not under question and you don't have dual citizenship and you're not accused of having dual citizenship. Now, ladies and gentlemen, open question here. Who is the political leader right now who's under scrutiny about whether he had dual citizenship?
On 19 December.
I don't know. I'm not making any allegation. My point is,
19 December is due for hearing.
I don't know. Who? What hearing? The Rahul Gandhi citizenship hearing. Okay.
Due for
When is Mr. Prajwal Ramanna's hearing? Mr. Alok, when is Mr. Prajwal Ramanna's hearing?
That is a court process. There are questions on whether Rahul Gandhi accepted dual citizenship. We are not making any comment on that.
अपने viewers को बताएंगे
But what happened is that there is something called the Munich Security Conference, global conference. At the global conference, Soros went last year, January, February. And he said, he's such a fool, this Soros. He's really a fool. He's such a fool. Don't mind. But this fool went and said that if I can bring down Adani, then I will bring down Modi. Because their fate is intertwined. सब कुछ बोल दिया. कुछ छुपा नहीं रहा. तब से ये इनके पीछे पड़ा हुआ है. कांग्रेस पार्टी बोल रही है आपको बोलने की क्या जरूरत थी? हमारा इंटरनल प्लान था. मगर सब कुछ म्यूनिक सिक्योरिटी कॉन्फ्रेंस में आपने कह दिया. So he said that Modi and Adani are close, their fate is intertwined, and if Adani falls, then Modi's stranglehold will fall. I may be naive, but I expect democratic revival in India. So he made his intentions clear.
Absolutely.
And then he funded OCCRP, which brought out the Pegasus and Adani report.
Arnab, he is on record many times with his views on this. As I said,
He also
and
raised
it is
question
not
on
because
Rafale.
it's
Even
arrogance,
his
it's
views on
arrogance of a
Kashmir,
billionaire who
even
thinks
his
he
views
can
on
get his
Kashmir
way in
are amply
everything
clear.
and he can destroy
Okay,
the
let's-
economy.
Yeah, let's get Rajat now. Rajat?
You know, Arnab, Soros is one entity. He's being
Number.
belittled that he's a 94-year-old man. How does he shake India's roots? This is an old, cynical, rich man who has donated billions of dollars into an institution, and institutions outlive individuals. He has 3 sons, all 3 notorious for quote-unquote exporting democracy. The biggest example of Soros and his set of people trying to poke into the internal affairs of Bangladesh is right before us. It is clear that Chris, he was a senator, and his influence on the Department of Justice and bunch of other institutions is profound in the US. And through all of these, there were machinations, and we are free to draw conclusions. The problem is, why does the Congress party want to outsource its politics out of the country? Because they themselves cannot win the elections. They want to, by the back door, try and create disturbance, try and attack India's economy, try and shake the fundamentals of our institutions by trusting the Department of Justice more than the Supreme Court. These are the fundamental problems that the Congress party has. You are trying to connive with outsiders, with external forces to bring down a legitimately elected government. If you do this crime in the US, if you want to connive and start meddling into their affairs,
But
you would
इसमें
be
और एक
arrested.
एंगल है रजत इसमें और एक एंगल है इतने फोन आ रहे हैं इतने फोन so many calls right now my newsroom is buzzing क्योंकि you say today Satish usually political debates में हम line खोलते नहीं हैं क्योंकि controversial हो जाता है people say things but today I'm opening the lines. Before I open the lines, quiz question today, ladies and gentlemen, is this: is there any party apart from Congress party in India which says to foreign countries to interfere in the country? There is no other party, only. At one time, some communist leaders would do that to China and USSR. After that, for the first time, Congress keeps going and saying, interfere in my country's politics. Worldwide, would you imagine if Donald Trump were to say to any other country, please come and interfere in America? Or if Boris Johnson were to say, or Rishi Sunak were to say, please interfere in the UK? I mean, look at the shamelessness of it. Satish K. Singh?
One more question for IQ.
What question?
One more question for IQ.
For IQ? Oh,
Is there any party in the
IQ.
world which has been won by a foreigner?
IQ पे सवाल पूछ रहे हो 2024
Is there any party in the world, not in India, only in world, which has
अरे
been won
शांत
by
हो
a
जाओ,
foreigner?
calm down, let him ask. No, IQ हो, EQ हो, क्या है? चलो EQ, चलो for EQ,
question
चलो EQ. आप IQ के बारे में बोलते हैं, आप डिफेंसिव हो जाते हैं, आपके नेता के बारे में कुछ नहीं कहा.
hold on मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ
Why do you feel every comment on IQ is a comment on your leader?
कितनी ब्राइबरी का अमाउंट था बताएंगे? लेट मी जस्ट चेक हिज आईक्यू. कितनी ब्राइबरी का अमाउंट है यूएस इंडाइटमेंट में? कितनी? 2200 करोड़ रुपए.
Again foreign interference.
And that too on Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana.
मालूम है?
I'm telling you the states. I'm telling you in the states.
Soros bomb,
All the
ladies and
states run by
gentlemen, numbers on the
Chhattisgarh, all
screen.
the states run by
I need to
Congress
take
and allies.
callers.
2200 crores. Have you investigated?
The question on
Have you investigated?
IQ.
Soros bomb, the question
Every
goes.
party in the whole world which has been formed by a foreigner.
So I am asking you, Mr. Alok, if you have evidence to the allegation that you're making, why don't you register an FIR? If there is an illegality, there is absolutely, needless and a shameless campaign.
If that is the work of the respective state government, sir, there is only a doubt that a right might have been offered. Right might have been offered. Go and hear the indictment report.
Okay, I have callers.
US court so
I have callers, gentlemen. Sumit Rathi, my first caller from Hyderabad this evening on the debate. Sumit, what do we do now? I mean, the Soros issue, you feel it's important. What should be done?
Hi Arnavji.
Hi.
I'm very much a fan of you because the way you are taking the issues from last 5 to 7 years, I'm watching you regularly.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. My privilege.
Sir, there's only one point I want to ask to Congress people.
Yes.
whenever the parliament starts,
Huh.
this Adani issue comes.
Exactly.
Whenever from last 5 to 6 years we are watching,
Yeah.
what is this with Adani?
Ah,
He is
that's-
also a businessman.
They never spoke about Quataroki. But what is it with Adani that you pick up Adani before every parliament session? Mr. Sabharwal, please, Sumit Rathi को जवाब दीजिए.
The whole country knows that how he's getting the airport, port, everything in the country, you know. The petrol, everything. Now, yesterday he got a license of the port also to import the petrol also in our country. So my submission is that there should be a balance
Should we give it
between
to
all the
Kosmodee
business
again?
houses in India.
Or Anderson again?
Only one. Are they alive? If they will alive, are they alive?
No, who gave Mudra
Are
Port
they
to
Indians?
Adani's?
You
Who gave-
people are
who gave Mundra Port to
unnecessarily.
Adani?
Who gave Mundra port to Adani?
Who
Good
gave?
question.
You're
Modi.
allergic to Indian businessmen?
Hey, Mr. Modi
Congress is
is
allergic to Indian businessmen?
no,
Congress is allergic to Indian wealth creators?
no, to a particular man.
You only want Italian and
No,
foreigners to come and
no.
invest in India?
Are you spokesman of Adani?
Oh God, solid
Then
fight.
कौन आ गया
Oh.
अभी Italian? बता तो दो.
You want some Swedish
Okay,
company
Ramu
like
is calling
Bofors to
from
come in India?
Hyderabad. Satish has
Saara
not
din-
And give us
spoken.
guns?
1 minute, calm down, gentlemen. Ramu is calling in from
Lies,
Hyderabad.
lies,
We have so many callers from Hyderabad. So many callers from Hyderabad. So many callers. People give us so much love from Hyderabad. They say, Arnab, start a Telugu channel. We will, ladies and gentlemen. We will come to Andhra also. We will go to Maharashtra. We will go everywhere in the country if we can. Tonight, Ramu from Hyderabad
Hi.
on the Soros bomb. Ramu, what do you think?
Hi, Arnab. Hi. Waiting for your Republic Telugu channel.
It will come. Yes, please.
So I just have a question to the Congress party.
Yes.
Now that recently Revant Reddy has signed multiple MOUs with Adani Group,
Correct.
will Congress party even dare to touch, or sack Revant Reddy as a chief minister because he signed multiple deals, right?
Correct.
Why is it not that action being taken? You are fighting on the streets. Fight with your own party. Set an example there.
Such solid questions. Ramu, I love this. Nowadays, Ramu, viewers are so aware. My God, if you'd been an anchor, Ramu, you'd do a much better job than me. Thank you very much for that question, Ramu. And Ramesh Sabharwal will answer that. Ramesh ji, आपका hot seat चल रहा है आज.
We will definitely do that.
You will do what? You will cancel?
Thank you for bringing it to our
You will
knowledge.
cancel. Acha, Rajat, he's saying he's cancelling.
Definitely. No, but the
You're
law.
not sacking
we
the
will.
chief minister. I thought you were going to
No,
sack
no,
the
no,
chief
no.
minister. And you're going to kick out Bhupesh
listen
Baghel.
me.
And you're going to kick
Listen
out
me.
DMK from
We will-
India Alliance.
We will.
Possibly the DMK will kick out
Sir,
Congress
बोलने
from
दो,
the
sir.
India Alliance. That is
अब आप ही
also
क्वेश्चन
possible.
बोलते हो, आप ही आंसर देते हो. We will definitely.
नहीं, मैं
we
पूछ
will
रहा हूँ, sir, कि
definitely
option
restrict
क्या है
our chief
आपके
Let the
पास?
minister.
call skip.
आपके
Not
पास
to
जो
entertain Mr.
assortment है
Adani.
options
Whenever
के
leader
बाद
is fighting
assortment
against
है
him.
option का. आपके पास ऑप्शन है भूपेश बघेल को लात मार के निकाल सकते हैं, आप तेलंगाना के मुख्यमंत्री को भी लात मार के निकाल सकते हैं. आपको एक ही चीज क्यों सोचती है कि हम अदानी की डील कैंसिल करेंगे? क्यों आप लोगों ने एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया?
ये थोड़ा अननेचुरल हो गया है, रजत. ये
में अशोक गहलोत फोटो खिंचवाते रहते हैं अदानी के
Correct.
साथ, ये क्या झालमेल? थोड़ा हमको भी बताइए.
क्या पता क्या इनका ऑब्सेशन है अडानी.
मिशन गांधी के परिवार को पूरा नहीं मिला भाई. दिक्कत वो है.
डीएलएफ को भूल जाते हैं. आधा गुड़गांव
पता?
उठा के डीएलएफ को दे दिया. बकवास करने चले जाते हैं यहाँ पे.
Oh God.
Mind your language.
Oh sir, please. Come on, topic which is talk
Mind
logical.
your language.
Don't be illogical when you're talking.
Mind your language. बकवास करने आ जाते हैं.
माइंड करके देश
बकवास
की
करने
जनता
आते हैं,
नाराज है आप लोगों से.
आपके सुनने
आप
आए.
लोगों को अकल
आप
आनी
झूठ बोलते
चाहिए.
हैं.
तो सर्कस
झूठे
करते हैं
आप.
ना आप लोग पार्लियामेंट
झूठे
के
आप.
बाहर.
आपको अकल आनी चाहिए.
करके रखा है ना आपके नेताओं
झूठे
ने.
आप लोग.
थोड़ा सा ज्ञान
झूठ
दीजिए.
बोलते हैं.
तमीज
दलाल है
आती
आप लोग.
सिटिंग
ताऊ
प्राइम
से आप
मिनिस्टर के
बता
खिलाफ
दीजिए.
करते हैं ड्रामा वो लोग. खुद तो शर्म है नहीं, यहाँ पे चले आएंगे नेशनल
क्या हो गया?
टेलीविजन पे.
आपकी
शर्म नहीं है. आपको शर्म है?
को उस बंदर को
अजीब आपको
बोलिए
बात करने की.
पार्लियामेंट की
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a hot debate tonight, and I have Subhash Bundela. I'd like to also get Satish Kesing. See Satish, I mean, Subhash Bundela calling from Nashik. Subhash Bundela, what do you think will happen? This is a crazy. इसको क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में? Satish will give me the right word. एक मनोग्रस्ता, यानी कि ऑब्सेशन, अडानी ऑब्सेशन, सुबह शाम अडानी 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 अडानी। अगर राहुल गांधी इतनी बार क्वाथरोकी करते तो क्या होता, मगर क्वाथरोकी का नाम कभी नहीं लिया जाता है। सुभाष बुंदेला फ्रॉम नासिक, देन आई विल गो टू सतीश। मिस्टर बुंदेला, व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
Hello, Arnab. How are you?
I am very well, sir. How do I look? I look fantastic. I'm feeling very good.
Perfect. Arnab, I have two questions for Mr. Ramesh Sabarwal.
आप प्लीज आस पर शांति से पूछिए, बहुत गुस्सा हो जाता है आजकल। He's explosive. Yeah, please go ahead.
I will be very polite. Mr. Sabarwal, I have two questions for you. Hello.
Yeah. Go on.
Yeah, Mr. Sabarwal.
Yes.
Just answer me in a yes or a no. Okay,
Yes,
no
sir.
going round the bush and hitting, nothing doing like that. Did Mr. Manishankar Iyer go to Pakistan and seek ISI's help to overthrow Mr. Modi? Yes or no?
Spot on.
Yes or no?
Never.
Sir, no. He asked for Pakistan's help. He asked for Pakistan's help to fight Modi.
Did he or did he not seek Pakistan's help to overthrow Mr. Modi? Yes or no?
Not.
He did,
Never.
sir. He did, sir.
Never. No,
Mr.
I told you.
Sabarwal,
No.
you should. Okay. Second question. I have another question. One more, just one single question for you. Okay. Did Rahul Gandhi sign in presence of Manmohan Singh and Sonia Gandhi? Did he sign any document with Xi Jinping?
Yeah, the picture on the screen. Put it up.
Did he sign any document?
No.
Oh, he did?
What?
Don't lie. He says no.
You are continuously lying.
You're lying. I put the picture up. No. He signed a document in the presence of Xi Jinping
What is the document?
on the backdrop of the Olympics. No, they signed an agreement.
हमने India.
No, sir, 1 minute. This won't be
No,
allowed.
never.
See, ये foreign links. Anyway, that's great. There's a picture. Picture is on air.
छोड़िए.
Picture, what छोड़िए?
बंद करिए sir.
What बंद करिए?
We don't know.
Anand Sharma to the left, Sonia Gandhi standing behind and Xi
ये सब
Jinping.
झूठ बोलना बंद करिए.
क्या झूठ?
अरे सर
तस्वीर झूठ है?
अरे सर कोई
Is the visual wrong?
किया हमने. अरे सर
Put him on air.
अरे फोटो पर अलग बात है. साइन क्या किया हमने?
तो क्या साइन किया?
आप बताइए ना, आपके पास तो
भाई, it's not an agreement with Beijing Zoo. It is an agreement with Xi Jinping.
अरे boss.
No boss.
No, never.
God. You see the foreign connection of the
Rahul
Congress.
Gandhi
Very,
was a
very
part of the government.
Satish K. Singh, what do you think?
Rahul Gandhi was a part of government at that time.
Was Sonia Gandhi heading the NSC?
Arnav,
Was Sonia Gandhi heading the NSC?
It was the.
hello.
Is Manmohan, sir, why you are saying all this, sir? Is she can sign
Was Anand Sharma
on behalf of the government? The Prime Minister.
Do you
Hello.
make any logical
Can I-
sense in what you speak? Can you frame even a single logical
sir, defame करना
sentence?
बंद करिए, sir. Defame करना बंद करिए.
Okay, Satish.
Logical sentence का आप argue.
Let's get Satish in. Satish.
Yeah, can I?
Yeah.
You see, the kind of dogfight it's going on is not good. What I have two questions for you, Arnav.
For
Only
me?
two questions.
For me.
Soros-led coup. Yes, for you. For Soros-led coup has succeeded in Bangladesh. If he is so anti-India, in vicinity something is happening, what has our government done? And if this Soros is all out to destabilize India, and he has links with Sonia Gandhi and family, what is the government of the day doing? Why are not they going after Sonia Gandhi, and why are they not going after George Soros? Are we so weak? Are we so timid? Unless we do mean business of seriousness, nothing is going to happen. And it's all propaganda. I would see like this, nothing else.
Okay. You want me to answer that, Satish? My answer, my response to you.
You choose.
My response to you is that last week, the US government put out a statement denying any role in trying to put out reports on Adani, etc. And that denial came after the BJP fully frontally made a statement regarding the involvement of the US deep state that is as direct as any political party running India can get, forcing a reaction from the Americans. If that is not a response, then what is? Second point, on the deep state and its involvement in Bangladesh, you as a nationalist Indian should be fully aware that why did the Americans intervene in Bangladesh? Was it not happening a few days after Sheikh Hasina visited India? Did Sheikh Hasina not visit India twice? Once during the swearing in of Narendra Modi and once after that on a state visit? And therefore, India's growing closeness with Bangladesh and Sheikh Hasina became a threat to the American and the American deep state, to which the Congress party is deeply, deeply connected. Now, my counter question to you is, can you or Ramesh Sabharwal say on the program that Rahul Gandhi did not meet a significant leader of the BNP in London, that Rahul Gandhi never met Samantha Powers in a Central Asian country, that Rahul Gandhi never met Donald Lu?
I don't know.
Donald Lu? No, we want to know.
No.
Let him deny. Let him deny.
I don't know.
No, but do you know how serious it is if he has met? Did Rahul Gandhi meet Ilhan Omar? Did Rahul Gandhi meet Ilhan Omar?
Must have met.
And after meeting Ilhan Omar, he said that I don't know whether Sikhs can wear the turban. I mean, to what extent can you compromise the country? We will ask those questions.
Ilham, I criticize. Yes, Ilham, I criticize. On your channel, I have done it before also. Yes.
You see,
but at the same time, on George Soros, our government has not been so successful. He has been successful.
The problem here is that Rahul Gandhi has a tendency of consistently
then what are we doing? What are we doing?
This is not an outlier, sir. The problem is that he has been consistently doing that. There is Andrew Lu. If he goes out and meets him, he goes out and meets the BNP leader. He goes out and meets Soros and his associates. He goes out and meets Ilhan Omar. There is a whole concerted effort by him to identify every single individual who wants to poke their nose in India's affairs. This is his tendency. The problem is his bloody tendency. Why does he need to always go and do that?
You have been an editor of a network. 1 minute, Satish. Satish, you have been the chief editor of a prominent news channel. If under your watch as chief editor, someone was to do a program, right, questioning India's sovereignty, a full program on how India's sovereignty in Kashmir should be challenged, would you not take responsibility? By equal measure, Sonia Gandhi was co-chair of the foundation in which Pakistani generals authored reports challenging India's sovereignty in Jammu and Kashmir. And that was funded by Soros.
Yes.
Then?
Here I go with you. But at the same time, I am questioning the timidity of the government vis-a-vis Soros.
Timidity, okay, that Ajay Alok can respond. Now you take him on directly. It will be Ajay Alok versus Satish K. Singh now.
Satish ji, there is no timidity of the government. The government has clearly given a terse response last year also when Soros was speaking in the World Economic Forum. And this year also the government has given a terse response that India fundamentals of democracy is so strong that any external affair cannot put it down.
Tell me one thing.
That's word to word. Now action to action will reply.
Ajay ji, tell me.
Now if you are telling me. हाँ बोलिए.
Oh, yes.
बोलिए.
Okay. Ajay ji, just tell me, you took 50 years to discover Soros links with the Gandhi family. You took 50 years. 50 years. Why today? Why not earlier?
अरे 50 साल पहले
Don't divert.
पहले तुम पैदा भी नहीं, बीजेपी आई भी नहीं थी भाई.
कुछ करते.
पहले तो बीजेपी आई भी नहीं थी.
अरे तो बीजेपी क्या बात?
And this Soros has been
बात है क्या?
all this
50 साल के अरे 80 में आ गई थी भाई. तो 20 साल इधर हुआ, 24 साल हो गया. अरे बीजेपी बीजेपी है. बीजेपी सुनो उस समय आप भी दूसरे ही पार्टी में थे. बीजेपी का अर्लियर रूप था ना.
अब आप सुन लीजिए ना.
अर्लियर दिस इज जनसंघ और पता नहीं व्हाट ऑल.
अब आप जवाब क्यों नहीं सुनते?
एक ही बात है.
जवाब तो सुनिए.
सुन तो रहे हैं.
George Soros is detrimental to the.
They are
health.
only listening to you,
Yes
my
or
dear.
no? Yes, yes. Rahul Gandhi is just a puppet of the ecosystem that George Soros has created.
Ramesh,
George Soros कहता है उनको एक्ट करने के लिए. अब एक मिनट, this is the point where you are arguing. हम बाहर के दुश्मनों से लड़ सकते हैं, लेकिन जो घर का दुश्मन है, जो घर का गद्दार है, उसका क्या करेंगे?
आपने क्या गद्दार
करेंगे ना?
I think one
वही प्रूफ कर रहे हैं.
गद्दार कहा आपने?
वही प्रूफ कर रहे हैं.
आपने गद्दार कहा.
BJP government has done is to shut the NGO financing that was coming from outside the country. Actually, sir was asking now, what has the BJP done? One of the biggest thing they have done is shut the shop of these fake NGOs who were getting from one means of their foreign funding to destabilize, create protests, create an
1,400 NGOs shut.
Country. Yes. So this is when he was asking now, what has the BJP government done?
Irrelevant for us, sir.
Modi has done this.
Manipur is relevant for us. Manipur is relevant for us.
Amnesty International shut.
गए हैं आप वहाँ पे?
Business of Manipur shut.
गए हैं आप वहाँ पे?
अरे सर, मणिपुर जाए.
गए हैं आप वहाँ पे? 5 साल रहा हूँ मैं वहाँ पे.
करेंगे.
मणिपुर भेजिए.
पावर में हम ही ठीक करेंगे.
Okay, Himangini calling from Nagpur. It's going to take a couple of more calls, too many calls. Himangini from Nagpur. Let's take 3-4 calls together. Himangini, yes, please. Sorry to keep you waiting.
Yeah, hello.
Hi, Himangini, hi.
I would say that this man Soros, I think he's mentally sick. Because unnecessarily is meddling in other countries' affairs and causing trouble and atrocities, and a lot of trouble is there because of him.
I agree with you, Himangini, completely. Colonel Krishna Murthy. Colonel Krishnamurthi, where are you calling from, sir? Colonel Krishnamurthy.
Hello.
Colonel Krishnamurthy,
Hello.
next caller from Chennai, please.
Oh.
Sorry. Colonel Krishnamurthy from Chennai, please. Can you hear me, sir? Not lined up yet, but then, you're becoming very unpopular, Ramesh Sabharwal. You have nowhere to go. People will hate you everywhere across India if you team up with these foreign people. They all have their agenda. Why are you doing it, Mr. Sabharwal? क्या होगा? आपको दिल्ली में लोग vote करेंगे इसके लिए?
Never.
People will vote for you in Delhi? Because fundamental agenda of Rahul Gandhi is...
Yes, they will vote.
Can you believe that Congress party can do that? Congress party can do it like this. Why you are defaming us?
I'm not saying...
How many? We are trying to locate
how many people?
Why doesn't Rahul Gandhi put out a statement that... Why doesn't Rahul Gandhi put out a statement that George Soros should not interfere in Indian politics?
Sir,
we don't need his help. Why doesn't he say that? He's scared? He's worried?
Priyanka ji has given an answer, na?
No, she's not given any answer. She said it's ridiculous. That's not an answer.
But the hell we are, sir.
Sir, that's it.
Sir,
why don't you speak something about Shobha Aunty?
What the hell we have to do with the
Chandigarh visit George Soros?
Sir, we have nothing have to do with the Soros, sir. He is irrelevant for us, sir.
Soros shots.
He gave a donation. He gave a scholarship. So many people have taken from his fund, sir.
No. So many people have taken. So you've also taken.
Foreign Minister's son has taken.
Who is he?
So many people, if they have done something wrong, you in public life cannot do the same wrong.
They took money from
You cannot have an argument like that. Arnab, you cannot have an argument. Arnab, you cannot have an argument. If 10 people have committed murder, I can go commit murder. If 10 people have taken bribe, I can go commit bribe. If somebody as George Soros is publicly saying, I hate India, I hate Jews, I do not want a democratic prime minister, and you are a part of an organization which recovers money from him.
In fact, I believe that I have information that certain news organizations in India also have been taking money from George Soros and his network. Yeah, and this has been done at unknown valuations, on the basis of unknown assessments, and these organizations do not have the revenue to justify these valuations. And anybody therefore knows that it is what is called a sweet deal investment. These investments from George Soros should be investigated. And I believe those organizations, Republic is going to expose them. Before that, they should come out and accept. Colonel Krishnamurthy from Chennai, sir. Colonel Krishnamurthy, what's your take, sir?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Hello, Mr. Arnav. How are you?
Very well, sir. Very well.
Yeah, first of all, a big salute to you for making all debates meaningful.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now, see, you have already mentioned about that Uttavi Kotroki. So I just wanted to trace back, because the Congress is always on a coalition or on a pressure to do politics within the country. Now, I wanted to trace back the history of 1984 as to understand how he has left the country under whose pressure. Thank you.
Yeah, under whose pressure and how did Octavio Quattrocchi leave the country? I'll get Dr. Rajesh Sood from Delhi. Dr. Rajesh Sood is our next caller. Dr. Sood?
Yeah, Mr. Arnab.
Yeah, I can hear you, sir.
The way Congress is going ahead and creating theatrics every day, it makes sure that we will never be voted to power in a very foreseeable future. Because they do not talk about anything and do not reply to any question.
Your audio is not very clear, but I agree with you. You see, Mrs. Sabharwal, Dr. Rajesh Sood is saying that this kind of politics that you're doing, you'll never be voted in the country. People don't want to do this foreign type politics in India. Amresh Shastri from Bengaluru, sir. Dr. Shastri. Mr. Shastri.
Good evening, Arnab.
Good evening.
The first and foremost thing that I would like to congratulate you and let you know that I am your senior from St. Vincent's, Pune.
Oh, very nice, very nice. I had 3 years in St. Vincent's, Pune.
Yes,
my father was posted there.
Yes, I am aware that your father was a military officer from Khadki.
Yes, from Khadki.
And just let you know that my family belongs to the clan of Sir M. Vishweshwaraya.
Oh, I'm honored. I'm honored to be speaking to you and to connect with you. Amresh ji, and thank you for remembering our old connections, our old school, and my family and my father on the program. What's your view on the subject, sir?
To be honest with you, I think so long as we have some folks, I don't mind taking their names, who are probably, I'm away from the television, but then people like Mr. Sabharwal, Kapil Madan and all. So long as you have such characters, there was one author, I don't want to take his name in a public forum, who had written that India will definitely have some folks who will sell their motherland for meeting their selfish motives. And that is proved today. That book is being written about nearly 70, 80 years back when we were under the British rule. So I'm sure you can guess who that author is. Sorry. But I understand and I'm sure that you will definitely make out that, so long as such, I'm sorry to use this word, you have unscrupulous leaders like Rahul Gandhi, whom you interviewed, and who, after that, I don't think he has any guts to face you in any interview, or even if you call him, he won't pick up your phone unless once he comes to know that it is Arnab on the line. So, and Bipin Rawat had rightly said that we have 2.5 enemies. So one enemy is known, China, the second one is Pakistan, and the half enemy, even one gentleman who was talking before me mentioned that the half enemy is within the country. So it's publicly known that who that enemy is, that half enemy. So to destroy the half enemy, it's very
Amresh, I want to be fair. Sorry to stop you there. I want Ramesh Sabharwal to listen to you because he understands. He has a lot of pain in his heart. He can't see the Congress party going down like this. He has to defend it, but he's not happy. Mr. Sabharwal, please.
Arnab, Congress, my parents have not taught me this. To disintegrate, to stab my country. My party has never done this to me. My party also gave me training that we should die for our country. Congress party can die for this country. Please don't defame us. I'm requesting you. Sonia Gandhi is very good leader of this country. She has sacrificed her life. Rahul ji is struggling on the roads for the poor people of this country. Gabbar Singh tax.
When Sonia Gandhi sacrificed her life,
image. Don't defame us.
He's alive.
Congress was responsible for partitioning this country.
He's alive.
Don't have these fake news.
Politics में आई.
Congress
Politics में आई.
our country.
Politics में आना नहीं चाहती
live longer.
Yes, this is a very, very sensitive situation. I request the Congress party to publicly dissociate from the anti-national forces of George Soros. I request media organizations who have taken money from George Soros to explain why they took the money, how much money they have taken, and whether they've returned the money or not. The Soros bomb will continue, and I thank you all. At a time when the whole country is talking about the deep state and Soros, we can't be away from that conversation. Well, we got a few phone calls today. We had a great show, and I'll see you tomorrow 8 to 10 p.m. and beyond. Once again, good night and goodbye.
Time for a quick breather. Arnav will be right back with the debate.